In the name of Allah, who is most beneficent and merciful, my name is Umme Habiba. I'm from Chemistry Department. My ID is 014. And today the topic of our presentation is Introduction to Python. First of all, you can see contents of my presentation, which include Python basics, Python lists, function and packages. At last but not least, I'll tell you about NumPy. So let's start. First of all, we'll talk about the Python basics. Python as a calculator. You can also say that Python work as a calculator because addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponentation, all these functions are used in the queries of Python to get the required results. So in short, it is said Python as a calculator. Then creating variables. How to create variables in the Python? For example, in the given query, you can see variable is being created. Savings is equal to 100. So it is the variable for savings. Then create a variable for growth multiplier. It is equal to 1.1. It is the variable for the growth multiplier. Then calculate result. After all, print out just like other queries in the Python. Now we'll talk about Python lists. How to create a list. So area variables are given, different values are for the different text. So create list areas. To create the list, you have to simply put commas among different texts and after that print areas. Subset and conquer. You can see different subsets are being used in the given query of the Python. Now we'll talk about function and packages. Familiar functions. So first of all, you have to create variables, then print out variables. After that, convert to integer. In both queries, you can understand how to use familiar functions in the queries of Python. Then import package. First of all, in this query, you can see radius is equal to 0.43, which is example of inserting variable. Then you have to insert import, then calculate C, okay, and then calculate A. These are the variables for the different values, then build print out. At last, I'll tell you about NumPy. NumPy array. In the given query, you can see NumPy is imported as NP. Two-dimensional NumPy array. It is the same query as just like to the previous one, but the difference is here you have to understand 2D NumPy array. The variables you can see there are two values for each subset. Then import NumPy as NP. Then create our two-dimensional NumPy array from baseball. When you have created, then you have to print out the type of NP baseball. So it's the certification which I have got after completing this course of Python successfully. That was all from my side. Thank you.